Are you tired of sacrificing performance for portability or struggling with clunky, outdated computer peripherals? Introducing the Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo Mini PC, a game-changing, all-in-one solution that redefines the boundaries of what's possible in the world of business computing. We've all been there, juggling multiple devices, tangled cords, and unnecessary expenses when building a comprehensive computer setup for our workstations. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from this tedious process and upgrade your productivity instantly? Lenovo's ThinkCentre Neo Mini PC comes loaded with a 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, and a powerful Intel Core i5-13420H processor, ensuring seamless multitasking, rapid loading, and exceptional data security. Here are the key benefits of this powerful device. First, the pre-installed Windows 11 Pro allows for an immediate, out-of-the-box commercial setup. No complex deployments or hidden costs to worry about. And with an included wired keyboard and mouse, along with an extra 64GB USB flash drive, you're getting the complete business bundle at an unbeatable value. This compact powerhouse also features dual 4K monitor support, making it perfect for data-heavy corporate environments and modern remote workstations. Think of the ThinkCentre Neo Mini PC as a personal productivity assistant, freeing you from the burdens of manual labor and tedious data management. No more tedious cable messes. No more juggling multiple devices. Just a sleek, intuitive interface that streamlines your workflow and unleashes your full potential. Imagine effortlessly running multiple demanding applications in the background, collaborating seamlessly with colleagues, or enjoying breathtaking 4K visuals on dual high-resolution monitors. In reality, using the ThinkCentre Neo Mini PC feels like having a dedicated IT team at your fingertips. Your work becomes more efficient, your presentations more polished, and your business more competitive. With this all-inclusive bundle, you can hit the ground running, confident in your technological infrastructure. At this point, you're probably wondering what separates the Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo Mini PC from other options on the market. Well, let me tell you, this isn't just another mini PC. It's an all-encompassing solution designed to elevate your business to the next level. And with an unbeatable price-to-performance ratio, it's easier than ever to bring this level of efficiency and sophistication to your workplace. So why wait? Upgrade your IT setup with the Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo Mini PC and experience the transformative impact it can have on your daily work. Order now and discover a smarter, more streamlined way to achieve success in even the most demanding business environments.